Hello everyone, in our today's problem, we have to find valid Sudoku. So you'll be given 9 into 9 Sudoku board. All you have to find each row, column, and each sub-box, 3 into 3 sub-box, is containing digit 1 to 9 and without repetition. Okay, so let me see if I copy this image and paste it here. Copy image. What I can do now, maybe I can copy, paste it here. Yeah, so finally I paste it here. Now all I have to find is this Sudoku is valid or not. Okay, so we have three requirement. In the row, the each number should be 1 to 9. In the column, again 1 to 9 without any repetition, and on each 3 into 3 box there should be no repetitive numbers and the numbers should be 1 to 9. Okay, now how can you find it? It's pretty much simple. All you can do, you'll run a loop for I till as it is 9 to 9 Sudoku box, so it will be 9 into 9, right? So this will be the size of the our matrix or Sudoku. You can run loop I 0 till 8 and Z 0 till 8. Okay, then what you can do, for each column, so when, for example, when I equal to 0, Z will go 0 till 8, right? So I equal to 0, Z equal to 0, it will check this one. Then each and every time we will put the numbers in array, or you can say here we can use hash map or hash set. So unordered set we can use here, right? Unordered set we can use here. And as our requirements, we have to find row wise, column wise, and the sub box wise. So we will be needed three. Will be needed three sub box. Unordered set. One is for, so I'll say we'll find. One is for find in row. And no, this one is not working. Row. Another one will be find in column or find call, and another one will be find in sub box or box. Okay, now if you have a look, so if we have a look, each time I will go through each row, I look for, each time I will insert the value in my find row map, and for column I will insert the value in find column map, and for each box I will insert the value in the box. Okay, now how can I do it? For example, I is 0, Z is 0, so I'll insert the value. I'll insert the value which is 5 in for so this one is row, this one is column, and for box as well. Okay, so I'll insert row 5, column 5 I got. Okay, now I came here, I0, say 1. So this is 2. So row wise it will go 2. But for column, I have to check this way, right? So what I can do, I'll just swap the value of row column. Okay, so as I equal to 0 and z 1, so I'll say 1, 0. Okay, so I'll put rows value 1 and columns value 0. So it will count this one 6. So it will put 6 here. Okay, then I0 J2. There is no value, so I'll go forward. No, I'll have a look. Is this a number? No, it's not a number. Then I'll have a look for I0, I2. I get 2 means I'll just swap the value of row and column. So row will be 2 and column will be 0. So there is no number as well. Then I'll go there. There is no number. But if we have a look, uh, 3 0 have a number which is 8. So I'll check is this value already in my column set. So no, it's not. So I'll put in 8. Right. Then this look like 5 1 2. Okay. Then I will be 0, J will be 4. So J will be 4. So row will be 0, column will be 4. So 0 4 is 7, right? I'll have a look. Is 7 in my row set? No, it's not. Then insert it here. Then I'll swap the value. Row will be 4, column will be 0. Okay, so 4 0 will be 4. I'll have a look. This 4 is in my column set. No, it's not. So I'll insert 4 here. Okay, now row will be 0, I will be 0, and Z will be 5. Okay, so 0 5, there is no value. By this way, like you can have a look on row column at the same time. Okay, now the main problem is the sub box. How can you find the sub box? To find the sub box is pretty much simple. Okay, first determine what is our box size. It's 9 into 9, right? 9 into 9. And what will be our sub box? It will be 3 into 3, right? So it's pretty much simple. There will be 9 in total, 9 sub box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 sub box, right? And if you count in index wise, this one will be 0, 1, 2. This one will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 index wise, right? So how can you find it? Both of them will be the same, right? So just what you have to do, you have to divide it by 3. Okay, I divided by 3 plus j divided by 3. But here, if you have a look, if you if the value of I is 4, okay, and if you divide it by 3, it will be 1. Okay, then it will be 1 plus j will be 0. So 1 plus 0 will be 1, right? But it have to be fourth. How can you make it? Just multiply the value plus no, or multiply with 3. Each time it will be multiplying by 3. Now the value will be 3. 3 plus 0 will be 3. So this is the third index here, right? Now this will be the fourth index here, right? How can it will be the fourth index? So for example, mm, for example, mm, I am here, right? So the ith value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 4 divided by 3 into 3, which will be 1 into 3, which will be 4, 3 plus j divided by 3. What is the j? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So again 4 divided by 3, which is 1, we already know. So 4 divided by 3, which will be 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. Now if you have a look, this is my fourth index, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we can find the sub box. So if we solve this question, I will be taking at n equal to both dot size we can take, or as it is fixed, and if you have a look, constraint, port length will be always 9. So as it is 9 into 9 matrix, I can say 9. Okay. Now as we run loop for int row equals 0, row less than n, row plus plus, and for int column equals 0, column less than n, and column plus plus. Now I'll be checking. Oh, we need map another set, so I can say for ordered unordered set, and as them are characters, so I'll say character find in row will be n, find in call will be n, and find in sub box will be n. That's it. That's it. Okay. Here there is one catch. If we do sub box here, it won't work because for sub box we need index as well, 9 index as well, right? So what I'll do, I'll take out the sub box from here and paste it here. I can say I'll take a vector array and here unordered set character, and here I can say find in sub box. That's it. Now for each character, I'll say each and every time I'll be inserting the value. So I can say find in row, so insert board of column. That's it. And here I can say find in column, and find in column it will be, I'll be swapping the values. Okay, so it will be column and row, I already said, and here it will be find in sub box. That's it. Sub box which index, we have to find which index, and to find index what I can do, and the index will be row divided by 3 into 3 plus column divided by 3. So column divided by 3. That's it. So this will be the index. I'll be saying. Okay. And then before inserting, I have to check if board of row column is not equal to dot. Then I'll check something. What I'll check is if you find in row count board of row column, if it is in my find in row, because it have to be unique, means there shouldn't be the repeated number, or find in sub box, right? Sub box, the index count code of a row column. If it is, then return false. That's it. Okay, this one. And if code of column row is there, not equal to this, and find in column dot count column row. It should be column row, then again return false, okay. Otherwise return true, that's it. If we run, I hope it will be accepted. Okay, 5 is unordered, un unordered. Oh, I have to put count board column and row. Yeah, it's accepted. I submit it. Done. That's all. So this is one way. Another way you can solve it. It will be the pretty much simple. All you have to do, just take three variables. Okay, I'll just show you. So instead of this one, you can do what you can do. You can just take three metrics. So what will be int again? Find in row or find row, which will be 9 by 9 matrix, which will be initial value will be 0. Okay, and then again find column 9 by 9, which will be 0 again. Then find sub box, which will be 9 by 9 again, 9 by 9 and 0. Okay, and then we have to run for int I equals 0, or for int row equal to 0, row less than 9, row plus plus, for the column equal to 0, column less than 9, column plus plus, and I'll be saying if board of I, j is not equal to dot, then you only have to find a number. So antenna will be board of I, j minus 0. This will be number, and if we need to find index, we'll just do minus 1, and instead of number, I'll say this one is my index. And all you have to find, we have to find the sub box. Sub box will be again row divided by 3 to 3 plus column divided by 3. That's it. And then I'll say if, then I'll say find row I and index is equal to find column j and index is equal to find sub box. Sub box will be sub box and I would say index will be 1. That's it. Then before this one I will say if it is present, find row I index or find col j index or find sub box index. If it is already there, then just return false. Otherwise, insert and then if it is not there, I'll be returning true. Okay, if I run this one, am I checking ij? Okay, then I'll just put it I, put it j. Okay, so should be bold. Bold. Sorry for my spelling mistake. Oh, again, this will be I. This will be j. I, j. And it will be the first one because here I'm running only 2 loops, so it will be n square. And yeah, the time complexity will be n square. And it's the RMS. That's it, guys. Thank you so much.